Featherway, taxi to point Victor 3 and line up runway 36 left. Alright, start up first, yeah. Point turn. Yeah, there he is. Featherway, hold short, point Victor 4 and line up runway 36 left. Alright, Featherway, turn right now. Okay. Featherway, can I have a look at your flaps? Okay, Featherway, flaps to 2. Alright, now let's see speeds. Okay, full power. Make sure to maintain the center line, alright? Don't turn left nor right. A bit rudder to the right. A bit of rudder to the right. Not too much. Okay, perfect. Just keep it in the center line. No. Okay. Alright, when you reach 50 knots, gently pull the yoke up. Alright. Alright. Okay, you're stalling. Watch your pitch. Just gently push it towards a bit to the forward. Yep. Get your speed up. Alright. Do you see the indicator in the right? The altitude indicator? When it reaches 5, let it reach 5. Yep, and now maintain this altitude and their speed. Alright, can you open the wait? Very good. Alright, Featherway, now slowly turn towards the right. Slowly. I'm gonna get you on runway 18 left. Okay, now stop. Yep, perfectly. Follow the river. Do you see the river in front of you? The small lake. And the highway? Just follow it. Get aligned with it. Featherway, I want you to make a left turn. Slightly go left. Left, not right. Alright, now stop. Somebody's mask. Alright. Featherway, slowly start to descend. Slowly. Pull. No, up. Okay, slowly. At about when the. Okay, Featherway, turn right now. Make a small bank to the right. Right, not left. Oh my god. Slowly, but quickly. This will get you lined up, probably. Alright, you see the runway? Okay, now get lined up in the runway, with the runway. Slowly start to descend. Slowly, gently start to descend. You're gonna be landing on Altsmere Bun. Okay, make Featherway. Go to 500 feet. Descend. Okay, watch your speed. Make it 80 knots. Reduce the throttle a little until it reaches 80. Okay, now slowly make it go about 30%. We'll do 40%. Now your flaps, they're okay. Okay, watch aircraft. I know it's lagging. And now go with 300, and when you reach about at 100 or okay, slowly go down. You can nail this landing. Now, alright, perfect. By the way, pull up a bit, pull up, flare. Now go down. That's gonna be flare a bit. Alright, you're gliding. Nice, touchdown. Now, push this yoke, okay. Push the yoke gently forward. Alright, bounce, and he's dead. Reverse is not in the second. Slowly bring the brakes. Okay, this is laggy. Alright, Featherway, when you reach point E1, which is the next turn, Featherway turn right now on point Echo 1, then via point Sierra 7, taxi to apron. Alright, continue straight onto point S7. Alright, nice lesson. Nice stuff, by the way. Just make sure you flare enough on your landing because you bounced a lot today. Otherwise, see you on your next flight lesson.